Today I'm going to talk about my fitness journey. It's been 10 years I'm into fitness, and how was my journey, and what are all my experiences, what kind of injuries I went through, and how my knowledge on fitness and nutrition enhanced, and how is it helping me now. So I'm going to talk about my journey. It might be helpful for beginners who are going to start gymming or start going to gym. Hey, welcome to another new interesting video. Around 2010, 2009 end and 2010, when I was in Bombay, I was doing my apprenticeship. That time I thought of going to gym. That was my first entry into fitness in Bombay. Yeah, before that I used to have lot of perceptions on fitness. I'll share. Even beginners now might be having the similar thoughts. I used to think gym is a luxury option. That time I was not seeing as fitness, and I used to think once you build the body, you have muscles, and that body lasts for lifelong. And crazy thoughts I used to have. Only non-vegetarian people will get enough protein and they can build the body. And that time I was not knowing about anything about food and nutrition, how it plays vital role in fitness journey. And also one more thought that if I start going to gym and started lifting weights, I'll become huge and bulk. I don't want to look so heavy on my personality. That was one thing was I used to have in my mind. I don't know anything about what is protein, carbohydrates, fat, good fat, bad fat, what to eat before going to workout, what to eat after workout, when to do workout. I don't know anything about it. I just went into a gym. I joined a gym in Mumbai. So while coming back from my apprenticeship work, end of the day I used to go to gym and then come back home. I did for a couple of months. In the beginning 2 weeks was really horrible. I had a lot of pain. Complete body was aching. Complete body was in pain. I could not move. I couldn't sit. I could not take bath because I could not move my hands. I could not stretch and flex my hands. It was horrible pain, but I came to know that everybody will go through that, as it is completely new for your body. Yeah. After a couple of months, I had to move out of Mumbai. I quit gym for some time. Then again, when I got my first job in Bangalore, after 6 months again I started going to gym because I want to look good and I want to be strong. That time my age was 23 and I used to weigh around 60 kgs. I used to look very thin, like a weak person, or malnutrition you can say. And I just want to become strong and focus on my strength. And also one more reason for me to join the gym is take out a lot of stress, and I just want to focus in a different way on my health. I used to eat eggs very rarely. Otherwise, I'm a vegetarian. I was a very thin person and underweight person. So I want to build my strength. I want to look good and be strong. That's a motto. I started hitting gym. In the beginning, I was just going to gym, spend 45 minutes, and come back home, and that's all. And in that 45 minutes time, in initial 1.5 year, I never pushed myself. I never challenged my body. I was worried that if I lift heavy, if I push myself, I'll look huge and I'll get big body. But that was not true. There were times, once or twice, I just keep doing the repetitions when I started few workouts, and I felt like almost fainted in the gym. So without proper knowledge what to eat before and what to eat after workout, and how to have proper nutrition, I was just going to gym and coming back. It was just a routine I built up. After 1.5 year of regular gymming, uh, I decided let me grow a little bit bigger and gain some muscle and reach up to at least 70 kgs for my height. That's where I started interacting with many of my friends who are already into fitness, experienced people. I started talking to them what kind of workout routines, what kind of exercises we need to target, and how to push ourselves, and what to eat before and after. So all these things slowly started building up into my routine. But yeah, almost I used to eat whatever I used to eat. That was normal food. I did not change my lifestyle much. Basically, I'm a vegetarian. Other than that, fast food and all, I won't eat much. Never. It was into my lifestyle. So that way, I'm kind of I'm lucky that I'm not too much tend to sweets or sweet tooth. Yeah, after 2 years of journey, then slowly I started pushing myself. Each workout lasts 2 repetitions. I try to increase the weight which I used to lift. I try to increase the weight and start giving 1 or 2 reps more. So that way I pushed myself to see the growth. And eventually, after 4 to 5 years, I thought of looking into certification, where I want to know more how it happens when you hit the gym, when you lift the weights, what happens in our body, what exactly happens. You lift the weights and you gain muscles, fat loss, lot of things. How these are attributed, I just want to know scientifically. So that's where after 4 years, I started looking into American Council of Exercise. I thought of doing certification. Then me and my friend, we have interest in fitness, and we took the group fitness instructor certification in ACE. Yep, we studied well, and we got the certification a couple of years back. Then slowly I started reading articles about fitness, nutrition, and a lot of research happens on fitness, health, nutrition, what kind of foods are good, what kind of diet is good, and what we are having. Then I started knowing about what are fats, carbohydrates, protein, macronutrients, and vitamins, minerals. What should be our daily food intake is like, and what is the importance of each nutrient. Even weight training, how the lifting weights will help my body. How various workout routines, changing your workout routines will help my body. How circuit training, crossfits, cardio, how it will help my body. I try to understand, and after that I started doing personal training for close to 2 years. Yeah, it was a hectic journey where I used to go to gym. I used to wake up at 5:30 and travel 15 kilometers, go for personal training, and 3 to 4 hours of personal training. After that, I do my training for my body and come back home, get ready and go to office, and then come back from office, sleep and get up. So I tried this routine for 1.5 year and 2 years. Very amazing experience to interact with various people and their fitness goals, and my fitness journey along with that. And other things also, I used to worry like as I'm bachelor, I can go to gym, I can take out time and explore, but once I get married, I won't get time. I can't take out time to go to gym. lot of other things were there in my mind. All these kind of things I used to think. But now still, after this 10 years, I went to gym almost regularly. Hardly I might have taken more than a 1 month break till now. It was continuous journey, except this lockdown. This lockdown, yep, I couldn't go to gym because of restrictions. Now I started exploring bodyweight workouts. It was an amazing journey. There were a lot of painful days. Lot of injuries I've seen. We started from neck injuries, shoulder pain, forearm pain, shin splints, lower back issues, lower back pain. A lot of injuries happened, but that is part of fitness journey. Mistakes happen, and you will learn from the mistakes. Started exploring what kind of workouts are good, what kind of different various routines we can follow. If you ask me now, what I used to think 10 years before about fitness and going to gym, lifting weights, complete mindset is different. Complete perception is changed. Now I can say I gained good amount of knowledge to understand how fitness is really important for our health, how good nutrition plays vital role in our health. Amazing journey, and I'm just now my thought process is like I just want to continue this journey and try to challenge every year. I want to challenge my body, push myself, look good at the same time, be stronger. Maybe at the age 40, 50 also, the same fitness level, trying to have the same fitness level. So that's my target. Let's see how it goes, what its future lies for me. Yeah, now after 10 years, I'm here. Now my age is 33. I hope most of the beginners also might be thinking the same way I used to think in my beginning of fitness journey. So go slow, read, do research about fitness and health, nutrition articles. Try to understand and just make it fitness or physical activity part of your life every day and lead a healthy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another interesting topic.